back to another day on D. Marie. Nah, but today we going to look for some worms so we can go fishing. See, I ain't been fishing in a long time, so we gonna figure out how to do this, but we should be all right. All right, D.
Yeah, we're about to get some worms. I'm not touching them. I'm not. From the backyard.
Oh, look at the deer.
What deer?
Look, the deer. You gonna see
where?
the Come, let's go look at it.
Uh-uh.
Oh, he's so scary.
I don't see no deer. I see a red bird.
They're in the bushes.
You know they say you're supposed to like kiss at the red birds.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Okay.
Alright, so she said she saw the worm.
Ew, I'm so scared. I'm just a girl.
I'm just a girl. You gotta look for the wet spots.
Don't.
Yeah, they good. I'm supposed to be the expert worm finder, ain't it?
I'm supposed to be.
Boom,
There we go.
This one. Where the rest? They just disappeared.
This one right there.
Come here. There's more in here. They just disappeared.
See it?
Grab it.
There's plenty of it.
Grab that. Yeah.
Let me see it, Saya. Okay. Oh, this one right there. Ooh, that's juicy.
So that's juicy.
Hey, boy. Get right here.
Yeah.
Is
There's one right there.
Hey, the one right here, side.
Where? Oh. Oh, that's a. Oh!
Yeah. How many's in there? Dang, that one moving on. Look. He's trying to get out of there.
Oh!
You see that huge one?
Where?
Right here.
Oh, look at that. Juicy. Hey! Get right here. Hey! But he ready.
I'm just playing. Don't be scared, cause I'm scared. Cause I'm scared.
You see two of them?
Let me see, Saya.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Yeah, nah, bruh.
It's a big, it's a huge one right there.
Where?
Right
You
there.
don't see him.
It's right there.
Dig.
Dig.
Ooh, he coming out.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's really good.
I think so.
Hey, that's all.
That's all the worms we caught so far. How many worms we got? They're nice, ready for fishing. What we don't want is dirty poles. What is dirty? Got a little technical difference. Saya. Really? Huh? Oh. we just pulled up to the pond. We're not even sure if this is the right one, but we're here. He just went to go pay, but a little sketchy to me. I don't know. We gonna see. I want to see how I look. He must have got it because they walking back now.
Let me show you what to press.
Say we're going around the back. Do you know how to get back?
Do I know how to get back?
Yeah.
We go figure it out later.
Tired. Sleepy.
Your hand's not even there.
You gonna get tired today.
Don't press it.
Yeah. So we done found us a location back here. It looks quiet, but it ain't enough the water. I don't think no fish over here.
It might be.
We're gonna go to the other side. So we going over here. I got my fishing rod. They just chilling.
Yeah, we're going to that spot right there in the middle. You see it?
Yeah, right there. Only got one pull. You said what? Why? We're not going right there in the middle, are we? Oh, I mean, we did. Yeah, go right here. They can sit over there. We can sit right here. They're probably gonna laugh at us though, cause we don't know what we doing. Oh God, no. Them kids know how to fish better than us. Look like it. All right, guys, let's see what we catch. Update. We ain't caught.
Don't pull it. Why you pulling it? Yeah, update. She could hook my finger off.
First of all, we ain't caught
Yeah.
nothing. We barely know how to work the freaking rod, but we're trying. Is that supposed to go at the top or the bottom?
Float on top of the water.
I know, but aren't you supposed to like change those two? So
Yeah.
that's at the bottom of it. So what are you doing?
To be honest,
6, 7. I'm
I
sweating.
don't want to do
Where's
that.
my apron?
It's too much work.
But that's how you.
Hold it.
We'll never catch a fish.
Never say never.
Now I don't know if y'all can see, but those kids over there, done caught like hella fish, and we still ain't caught one.
Hey.
Hopefully we get something.
Look how y'all got some.
Putting a floater on. Let's put the bait on it. He over there loading, so we gonna take his spot, cause I'm thinking that's where the fish at. Right over there in that area. There's been a lot of fish caught over there. Did you even get there?
I don't think I did. That's good that we ain't get it though. Ain't it?
No, it's very bad we didn't get it. Alright, let's try this again.
Yeah. Okay. Not bad, not bad, not bad.
Keep it like that.
They'll wait.
You might get me a little fish.
This our lucky shot right here. Cause I sure wasn't doing a dang thing.
Yeah, I don't think so.
That's so much better. Hey man, chat, welcome back.
I don't think I did right.
What?
That's really bad.
Okay.
Probably looking at me like that.
Unlock it.
We didn't get all the worms for no reason.
You right. You want to put a worm on it?
You know.
Oh, he didn't get you that time? Slang that thing.
I don't know how.
Sling it over here.
No, it ain't nothing.
Bro, just sling it.
Okay. You ain't gonna catch nothing.
Oh my god. What you got your money on?
My money?
Yeah, catch something, catch that.
Catch nothing. No, I got faith in him. I put $5 on it.
$5?
Yeah.
Alright.
The thing is, you don't have to get too all the way out there.
Yeah.
The best ones. See, he just put that fish. Like he just put that pole right there and caught that fish. It be the ones closest to like the edges. And stuff.
Switch. Go to the other side.
He ain't caught nothing over there yet.
Yes,
He
he
got three
did.
poles over there.
He had a huge one. But
He had a huge fish on that side where we need to go. And I'm telling you, as soon as they leave, I'm going over there because we're gonna catch us a fish. We got the perfect spot. The fish be, you know, maybe they're not right here.
Yo.
They might be over there.
now I think this segment we're gonna call it Outside with DeA'sha. Outside with DeA'sha. Yup. Cause you know she don't be outside for real.
Something.
Look how close it is.
Okay.
I think we need some bait.
I mean, that snail is done. That's a snail?
Nah, it's nothing on it. That's just a regular little jig.
Oh, then that's why we ain't getting nothing.
Hold it then. Let me go get you some.
Listen, man. We're out here fishing, and I ain't caught nothing. The kids are over there getting them fish, y'all. I'm telling y'all, we need to go on that side.
Mm-hmm.
And Javon lost one.
Hey, I don't know why I'm putting double bait on here, because this is naturally a bait. But
All right.
Yeah, give me a little sling.
Show me some. How they get it? Okay. We're moving sides. I'm not holding no worms. Something over there. You saw that? Something. We might have just hit the jackpot, y'all. Yeah. You see, it's a lot of movement over there. See, it's a lot of movement right there. What? You see something coming? Just gotta be patient. Fishing is all about patience. Something I don't have. That little boy guy, he probably 3 years old. He done caught more fish than me and you together.
You know what? That's all right. But guess what? You gonna get us some.
You know what to do with one when you get it? That's what I'm saying, bro. I ain't come all the way out here for no reason. So, guys, my little brother caught a fish.
It's dead.
All right, we trying this side over here. There must be sides to this fishing stuff because we came over here and they thinking.
Hold on, don't do right there. There's bait right there.
Who bait right there? Whose bait is that? That's just a floating one. Yeah. All right. There go one right there. Look. It's a fish right here. Here.
That thing's dead.
No, it's not.
I'm telling you it's dead.
You think so?
Yeah. I'm telling you it's dead. That's dead.
It's dead?
Yeah. I got it. Bruh.
Now I'm actually scared. What if I actually catch a fish? Oh, he is dead because he caught him, didn't he? He threw him back in there. That's all right. That's all right. We're gonna catch our own fish.
What you gonna do?
We don't want to go too far. We don't want to go too far, y'all. We're just gonna stay right here. We're gonna catch something today, man.
You think so? What you put on it?
I'm gonna catch about 4 fish. This is the spot right here. This is the spot. I don't know if it's something about this spot. I don't know why. It's stretched out.
Bro, that's... Bring it back. But I told you this stuff is that bring it back song.
I got something.
A stick.
No.
Wait, for real? It's pulling?
No, I think, no, for real. It's hard to pull now.
You got it stuck on a goddamn pole.
I got it stuck on her pole?
No.
I didn't get it stuck on her pole.
Oh, a piece of steel.
That's a fish.
That is not a fish.
Damn. So y'all, I had one. But the freaking fishing rod pole started acting all crazy and stuff. So that's all right, because we're going to get it back. We're going to get back. Y'all watch me get this fish, y'all. Watch me It took the worm?
Yes.
Okay.
And we just
It's
fixed it.
playing with me now.
Let's get it.
All right.
Let's get this work.
All right.
All right, man. Come on, one more time, cuz the fish done took the bait. We gonna catch it though. Right there.
Get that.
Perfect spot.
You gonna take my freaking bait? Bro, we finally got one. Yes, sir.
We gonna cook this bit tonight.
Yo, we got a fish.
We
got a fish.
You got blood on it?
You know what? Hell yeah. Anyways, y'all. Had a pretty good day fishing. This is the end of the video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe, comment. Do what you gotta do. I don't know what he's talking about. He's sitting over there trying to catch a fish without a fishing pole. Talking about how they used to do it back in Jamaica. Baby, this is not Jamaica. This is America. 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 Just like those people. And y'all know what people I'm talking about. Y'all know exactly what people I'm talking about. Anyways, guys, check back with y'all later. Bye. It's getting big, so give me some sweet. I'm